Dramatic Obsidian Magma Rift Typography Effect in Pelab Essing a Dark, Premium Volcanic Style. Begin with a deep black background and subtle smoky texture. Add bold, Jaffitate aangevoed a glossy obsidian surface with a hard metallic hegelighets. Create irregular cracks acrothriatus te letters ising ten orange redlinus, ten add a brigit eil of orange inner glof te make te cracks apar fillet with a molten magma. In crease te glof around major fissures while keeping te outer etges dark and polyset. Add a soft red atmospheric glof behind te tate, stuttered sparks, tiny embers and fine smoke for depth. Isolated shadows, hegelighets, blur and transparency to create realistic dimensionality. Finesse with a strong contrast and cinematic lighting for a power